Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to upload files in Amazon S3. Once files are uploaded, these files will be stored securely in Amazon S3. First, navigate to the Account Record Detail page. You'll find our S3 file upload component on the right-hand side. Let's see how to upload new S3 files for this account record. Click on Choose Files and select the files you want to upload from your local storage. Alternatively, you can simply drag and drop files from local storage. Once you've made your selection, you can set the properties of the files. You can change the file name and provide description. Click on Edit if you want to set additional properties of S3 files like category, file download view type, etc. These file properties are configurable. You can enable and disable these properties as per your needs. Once properties are set, click Save. If you want to remove some files from the list, you can use the delete icon in action. If everything is fine, click Upload. This will create the account name folder in Amazon S3 and upload all selected files in that folder. You can abort the file upload which is in progress by simply clicking the abort icon in action. Once all files are uploaded, you will see a success message and newly uploaded files will be displayed in the S3 files related list in the account record. If you cannot find the S3 files related list in account detail, contact your system admin. Thank you for watching.